Mabuhay! It's your girl NJ. It's your girl Chad. Here's another a day in my life working in BGC. Yeah, char. So today is my last RTO for the month of March. And pumasok tayo ng maaga dahil isa na naman tayo sa punong abala bilang tayo ay bida-bida. Chare! After makipagchikahan, bumaba lang ako saglit and went to SNR to buy our food. So for today's video, meron kaming trivia night. So nag-order lang kami dyan ng chicken and pizza. And for today, sip happens from Kamsami. Now for the engagement committee update, dun tayo sa Venice, Italy. Chares! Ayan, so I did a quick update lang on behalf of the engagement committee. Jontis! Hi guys! And then ayan, kain muna kami before the trivia night starts. Wow, healthy living feel. Ang gigil ka, magkakain ka.
Sugar ba yan?
Guys! Go guys! Sobrang oily ko dyan. JL! Okay, our next question. History. What seasoning was once used as currency in ancient Rome? Seasoning ito, seasoning.
More. Hey, project sa ramon!
The correct answer is gold!
Sarap!
300 GC, Starbucks. 300 Congratulations! Congrats to Group 3, Let's and Friends. Then tawang-tawa kami dyan dahil nilaglag ang take-off ng chicken bago kami pumasok sa elevator. And then ayan, back to work na at mapapasabak na naman ang facilitation skills ng Aklang Chua. And then for our mini break, lafang na naman ang mga sesables. Thanks to Seske at nagdala siya ng lomi all the way from Batangas. Sobrang sarap! Di mo ako kailangan sa office ako, diba? Ang laman niya. Ang laman niya, lomi. For 26K, bring on down the cases.
See you in the next one. Bye!
Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!